Max and Stella are on a movie date.
Hi Stella, let's grab some food before the movie.
I doubt we'll get late for the movie.
No, we won't. This restaurant's service is quick.
You better be right.
What would you like to have?
Anything that is quick.
What can you deliver fast?
Everything on the menu will be served quick.
Then 2 burgers and 2 cola please.
Would you like to make it a combo with fries?
Yes, that will do. You're fast at taking orders.
We're fast at delivering too. Sir, you'll make the payment in cash or card. Max makes the payment in cash. Operator gives him the order token. Your order will be ready in 5 minutes. Please follow the screen. The drinks order is transferred to the drinks counter. And the foods order is transferred to the kitchen.
You seem to have a great system in place.
Yes, we're using FusionResto software. It helps connect orders, kitchen and delivery.
Now, I understood the reason of your quick service.
The order gets prepared simultaneously. As soon as the order is prepared, it is transferred to the order screen. Max sees the notification on the screen and walks to the counter. Enjoy your meal.
So, wasn't the service quick?
Yes, indeed. Now, eat as fast as the food was delivered.
Max and Stella reach on time for the movie. FusionResto helps restaurant owners deliver better customer experience. FusionResto creates happy customers and happy owners. Contact +919 8319 26662 or visit www.fusionresto.com for a free demo.